Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Vimeo OTT monetization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Vimeo OTT monetization, start by visiting the Vimeo developer portal. Log in to your Vimeo account using your credentials. Navigate to the apps section within the developer portal. Click on the Create App button to start a new application. Fill in the required information such as the app name and description. Select the desired permissions for your app, ensuring access to the necessary monetization features. Once you've created the app, you'll be directed to the app details page. Here, locate your client ID and client secret. You will need these for authentication. Next, open your preferred development environment or tool. Utilize the Vimeo API to initiate the authentication process. Make a request to the Vimeo OAuth endpoint using your client ID. Include a redirect URI where users will be sent after authentication. Once the user authorizes the app, Vimeo will redirect to your specified URI with a temporary code. Capture this code from the redirect URI. Use the temporary code to request an access token from the Vimeo token endpoint. Make sure to include your client ID, client secret, and the received code in this request. In return, Vimeo will provide you with an access token. Store this access token securely, as it will be essential for making API calls. With the access token, you can now access the Vimeo OTT monetization features. Utilize the Vimeo API to create, manage, and monetize your content effectively. Regularly check your access token's expiration to maintain uninterrupted service. By following these steps, you will be fully authenticated and ready to utilize Vimeo OTT monetization. Continue to explore the Vimeo API documentation for additional features and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.